Artificial intelligence (AI) has advanced significantly, and OpenAI's Chatgpt-4 showcases this progress. It's a big step forward in AI with better language skills, understanding context well, and interacting using text, voice, and images. This video explores Chatgpt-4's technology, its uses in various industries, ethical concerns, and what's next for AI. Understanding Chatgpt-4's technical advancements. Chatgpt-4 improves on earlier versions by using more advanced deep learning and sophisticated algorithms instead of just pattern recognition and statistics. This helps it understand context better, predict what users want, and give clearer answers on many different subjects. Advanced Natural Language Processing (NLP). Chatgpt-4 leverages state-of-the-art deep learning architectures, including transformer models, to process and understand natural language with unprecedented accuracy and efficiency. Unlike earlier versions that relied primarily on statistical methods, Chatgpt-4 integrates sophisticated neural networks trained on vast datasets. The transformer architecture, popularized by models like GPT-3 and further refined in Chatgpt-4, employs self-attention mechanisms to weigh the importance of different words in a sentence, allowing the model to capture long-range dependencies and nuances in language. This capability is crucial for tasks such as sentiment analysis, summarization, and language translation, where understanding context is paramount. Before we continue, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into Chatgpt-4's groundbreaking AI technology. Let's delve deeper into its revolutionary capabilities. Contextual awareness and memory. One of the standout features of Chatgpt-4 is its ability to maintain context across extended interactions. Unlike earlier chatbots that reset after each exchange, Chatgpt-4 incorporates a memory mechanism that retains information from previous interactions. This memory is encoded using techniques like long short-term memory, LSTM networks, or other memory-augmented architectures, enabling the model to recall user preferences, remember ongoing topics, and provide more personalized responses over time. This contextual awareness enhances the user experience significantly, making interactions with Chatgpt-4 feel more natural and intuitive. Multimodal capabilities and integration. Beyond text-based interactions, Chatgpt-4 extends its capabilities to process and generate responses across multiple modalities, including voice, images, and videos. This multimodal integration is achieved through a combination of neural network architectures designed to handle different types of data, inputs, and outputs. For instance, in a voice interaction, Chatgpt-4 can transcribe spoken words, interpret their meaning, and generate spoken responses with natural intonation and clarity. In image-related tasks, such as visual question answering or image captioning, Chatgpt-4 can analyze visual content, understand relationships between objects, and generate descriptive or explanatory text. Applications across industries. The versatility of Chatgpt-4 positions it as a transformative tool across various sectors, including healthcare, education, finance, entertainment, and beyond. Each industry benefits from Chatgpt-4's unique capabilities tailored to specific use cases. Healthcare. In healthcare, Chatgpt-4 plays a pivotal role in assisting healthcare professionals with tasks such as patient diagnosis, treatment recommendation, and medical literature review. By analyzing vast amounts of patient data, clinical research, and diagnostic imaging results, Chatgpt-4 can offer insights that aid in early detection of diseases, personalized treatment plans, and improving overall patient care outcomes. For example, in radiology, Chatgpt-4 can analyze medical images, detect anomalies, and provide preliminary diagnostic assessments that assist radiologists in their decision-making process. Education. Chatgpt-4 transforms the educational landscape by serving as a virtual tutor capable of delivering personalized learning experiences tailored to individual student needs. Through interactive dialogues, Chatgpt-4 can explain complex concepts, provide real-time feedback on student assignments, and adapt its teaching strategies based on student progress and learning styles. In language learning, for instance, Chatgpt-4 can engage students in conversational practice, correct grammar errors, and offer explanations of vocabulary usage in context. Finance. Financial institutions leverage Chatgpt-4 for a range of applications, including customer service automation, fraud detection, and financial forecasting. By analyzing historical market data, interpreting economic trends, and monitoring regulatory changes, Chatgpt-4 provides valuable insights that help businesses make informed decisions and mitigate financial risks. For instance, in investment banking, Chatgpt-4 can assist analysts in performing market research, evaluating investment opportunities, and generating predictive models based on historical data. Entertainment and media. In the entertainment industry, Chatgpt-4 contributes to content creation, storytelling, and interactive media experiences. Collaborating with writers, filmmakers, and game developers, Chatgpt-4 can generate plotlines, create dialogue for characters, and provide creative suggestions that inspire new narrative directions. For example, in video game development, Chatgpt-4 can generate dynamic narratives, populate game worlds with interactive characters, and respond to player actions in real time. Its ability to generate diverse story arcs and adapt to player choices enhances the immersive quality of gameplay, offering players a personalized gaming experience that evolves based on their interactions. Ethical considerations and challenges. While Chatgpt-4 brings unprecedented capabilities and opportunities, its deployment also raises important ethical considerations that require careful consideration and mitigation strategies. Bias and fairness. AI models like Chatgpt-4 can inadvertently perpetuate biases present in the training data, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes in decision-making processes. Addressing bias requires diverse and representative training datasets, proactive bias detection algorithms, and ongoing evaluation of model performance across different demographic groups. For example, in natural language processing tasks, biases related to gender, race, or socioeconomic status can influence the model's language generation and sentiment analysis capabilities. Mitigating these biases involves implementing fairness-aware training techniques and incorporating ethical guidelines that prioritize equity and inclusivity in AI development. Privacy and security. The widespread adoption of AI, including Chatgpt-4, raises concerns about data privacy and security. As AI systems interact with sensitive information, such as personal health records, financial transactions, or confidential business data, safeguarding user privacy becomes paramount. Chatgpt-4 relies on robust encryption protocols, secure data storage practices, and stringent access controls to protect user information from unauthorized access, data breaches, or malicious attacks. Accountability and transparency. As AI systems become more autonomous and capable of independent decision-making, ensuring accountability and transparency in their operations becomes essential. Users interacting with Chatgpt-4 should be informed about the limitations of AI technology, the reasoning behind algorithmic decisions, and the potential biases or uncertainties associated with AI-generated outputs. Implementing transparency measures, such as explainable AI techniques and user-friendly interfaces that disclose AI involvement, fosters trust and accountability in AI systems like Chatgpt-4. It empowers users to make informed decisions, understand the rationale behind AI recommendations, and participate in shaping ethical guidelines for AI deployment. Future directions in AI technology. Looking ahead, the evolution of AI, including advancements beyond Chatgpt-4, holds immense promise for enhancing human-machine collaboration and addressing global challenges. AI-augmented creativity. Future AI systems are poised to exhibit greater creativity and innovation, supporting artists, writers, and designers in producing original works of art, literature, and music. AI-generated content, co-created with human input, blurs the boundaries between artificial and human creativity, ushering in a new era of collaborative artistic expression. Enhanced human-AI collaboration. Collaborative AI systems will enable seamless integration between human expertise and AI capabilities, facilitating interdisciplinary research, problem-solving, and innovation across industries. From scientific discovery to technological innovation, human-AI collaboration unlocks synergies that accelerate progress and drive societal impact. Ethical AI development and governance. Continued research and development in ethical AI aim to establish frameworks for responsible AI deployment, governance, and regulation. Ethical guidelines, standards, and codes of conduct ensure that AI systems, including Chatgpt-4, uphold principles of fairness, transparency, accountability, and human-centered design. If you found this exploration of Chatgpt-4's groundbreaking AI capabilities fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.